Here are the top 5 bikes that look like they're from 2050.
Number 5. Yamaha Niken GT. Three-wheel design, futuristic handling, insane stability.
Number 4. BMW Vision Next 100 concept. Self-balancing tech, AI-assisted riding, pure sci-fi vibes.
Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2R Carbon. Jet fighter design, aggressive aero, brutal presence.
Number 2. Damon Hypersport Premier. Smart AI safety tech, digital cockpit, cyberpunk styling. And number 1. Arc Vector. Electric hyperbike, carbon fiber body, next-gen futuristic design.